How's it going, everybody? We're here at the 22nd Annual Emerald Coast Blue Marlin Classic at Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort. This year we did have some unfortunate weather out in the Gulf of Mexico, so we ended up pushing the tournament back to Friday start as opposed to a Thursday start. We're super excited about the teams that have stuck with us and supported us through our event for this weekend. I think we're going to be weighing some big fish here on Saturday and Sunday.
So, Captain, what kind of fish we looking at getting this weekend?
Blue marlin, tuna double wahoo, maybe let a couple white marlin go for some kick points.
Official captain knows. Good question. Stay safe out there. Good luck, guys.
scale for the 2024 L.L.C. Blue Marlin Classic is now officially open. Here's the weigh-in scale. Again, I'm Scott Rossman, the tournament weigh-in MC and the sports director, local NBC affiliate here.
Also, Scott, I want to give a big shout out to all of our vendors and our sponsors out here sticking to the schedule change. I know there's lots of them around, but they're out there, they're opened up, and they're ready for an extra day of vending. So it's going to encourage everybody to go check them out.
But please, by all means, enjoy the vendor village, all the sponsors and vendors that are here showing off their wares and their products. Please meet with them, thank them for being here because these events do not work without the sponsors and the vendors. And of course, the Marina Bar and Grill, you got food and beverage. You also have the fantastic merchandise tent. Also the folks Pelagic, they are selling some gear as well. So by all means, go by and thank those sponsors, see what they're offering. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fourth block, the weigh-in scale is now officially open. This is year 22 for the Emerald Coast Blue Marlin Classic.
Yeah, 22 years of this event going on, and it takes an army to put this. Every single department at this resort has a hand in this event.
There is a shot of that boat out of Pensacola, backing down to our weigh-in scale delivery point. By the way, just a tip, home ported in Pensacola, Florida. Robbie Rushing is both the boat's owner and operator. The mate is Paul McMullen, aka the Judge. The anglers include Tucker Creech of Pensacola, Nico Hong of Pensacola, Keith Johnson of Destin, Andrew LaCroix of Pensacola, Jack P. Rushing of Pensacola, and Kevin Sluter of Pensacola. Welcome to the weigh-in scale, ladies and gentlemen. The captain and crew with our first Blue Marlin. Just a tip. 111 inches in length. The average winning weight the previous years. Blue Marlin weighs in at 8.6. It was often I think the average winning weight, but given that right now we've not heard about any of the Blue Marlins being voted, this stands as first, second, and putting on a Blue Marlin and is currently worth $118,000. Robbie first. Come on up, Robbie. Dolphin. It's got to be better than 20 pounds. It weighs 24! All right, Jack, get back up there and take a picture with your first, second, and third place Dolphin. Ladies and gentlemen, this 58-foot Viking based right here in Destin is going to weigh in another Wahoo, a very good sized Wahoo. Welcome back to the marina, ladies and gentlemen, the captain and crew, Big Daddy. He's weighed their Wahoo in at 62.5 pounds. Now your first place Wahoo, 62.5. I have them, ladies and gentlemen. Change orders of 46-foot Hatteras based right here in Destin. The boat's captain is Max Smith of Freeport, Florida. 5.5. This one weighs, Jack, 68 pounds. Easily. New leader in the Wahoo category. Thomas Anderson of the crew, change order. Thomas, go ahead and take a picture. Great escape. is a 58-foot Chris Crack, based in Destin. The boat's captain is Jason Rogers of Destin. And the crew of Great Escape 2 hit the scale at 128 pounds. The new number to shoot for in the tuna category.
Well, I think the crew and all of us came together as a team. We decided that we were going to wait on bailing out like a bunch of other people did because of the weather. The weather turned out phenomenal, people. I cannot describe to you the best time of fishing that we've had, at least in my life. But we had just a phenomenal time. You guys put on a great tournament. If I have my choice, we will definitely be back next year, and you definitely have my support as well as our team's support.
Thank you so much. That means the world to us. Ladies and gentlemen, Miramar is a 57-foot Spencer Yachts build. Again, home ported in Panama City Beach. The captain is Brian Grimlett of PCB. 32.4 pounds, 32.4. 128.8 is the leader. This one weighs 123.5 pounds, just shy of making first place. And now you got a second place tuna. An easy trigger is a 64-foot Viking based in Panama City, Florida. Captain Mark Raphael of Panama City drives the boat. Welcome back to the weigh-in scale, ladies and gentlemen, the captain and crew of Easy Trigger. Hold your hand up, crew. What do you think, crowd? We got 68 pounds here. Collins Abrams and the crew of Easy Trigger tip the scales at 77.4. Now your new leader in the Wahoo category. Now worth something in the neighborhood of $22,000. Welcome back to the weighing scale, ladies and gentlemen, the captain and crew of Bimini Bay. Let them hear it. And we just saw the Wahoo leaderboard change. I think it's going to change again. 95.4. That is impressive, Ryan. Well past the average winning weight and only about 16 pounds shy of the tournament record, so that's up there. Panhandler is a 63-foot header. It's based in Pensacola. Captain Nick Millsap of Gulf Shores, Alabama is the boat's captain. 20.5 pounds by 1/10 of a pound. You got him beat. And Ty goes in the first fish. Your new leader in the Dolphin category, Liam O'Brien and the crew, Panhandler. Well done, Liam. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Supreme, based right here in Destin, is a 72-foot Viking, captained by Chase Lake of Destin. Average winning weight in the previous 21 years, a $176. 220.6 pounds. Your new leader in the tuna category. Alan, come on out, take a picture of Alan first. Ladies and gentlemen, Resamar is a 48-foot Viking based right here in Destin. The boat's captain, Gary Smith of Fort Walton Beach. This one weighs. He's got a stuck button. 213 pounds. That was worth the weight. 28.8. Now your new leader in the Dolphin category.
Hey, get on that thing. Get with it.
How about that family picture, ladies and gentlemen? Just looking is an 82-foot Viking based in Orange Beach, Alabama. Captain Hall Bollinger of Santa Rosa Beach. 37 pounds even, 37. Come on out, take that's how it works. Welcome back to the Baytown Marina, ladies and gentlemen, the captain and crew of the Points. Raise your hand, ladies and gentlemen. Justin, your fish weighs 56.9 pounds. Just shy of making the top three, but again, they're across the board in the optional, so it could be a money fish.
You got guys that are catching 5, 6, 7 blue marlins in a weekend. Everybody thinks that's easy. I caught 2. Normally we would win. Guess what? We didn't win. Chase caught 7. It's incredible what our captains are doing. Our fishery is incredible right now. You think about 7 blue marlins in a weekend, that's world class. That's not just best in Florida, that's world class. So everybody needs to appreciate what our captains are doing.
And the anglers as well. That's where the big round of applause. And this is coming from as experienced a captain in this region as there is Captain Jeff Schmaltz. Thank you, Captain. And just the tip getting the big prize of $165,189. And Blue Marlin champion. Congratulations to the Pensacola-based captain and crew of Just the Tip, our 2024 Emerald Coast Blue Marlin champions! And once again, the 2025 Emerald Coast Blue Marlin Classic, June 25th to the 29th.